Congrats.
I really have to go po.
Okay.
Sorry na.
Okay, okay.
Pasensya na po.
Okay, sige na. Diretso na.
Diretso na.
Diretso na ako.
Sige.
Okay, for some announcement, I would like to request here in front our chapter head, Brother Jude. David, please.
Super Secretary na di lumal na.
Sir, that's
Hindi mga member na. Ang schedule po ng breakfast meeting ng Legazpi every first Saturday of the month. And sa next month, ang schedule na is April 4. Hindi po ang video ng breakfast.
Estado mo pala?
And we have also our men's breakfast. Tinatawag namin na
kami mga
breakfast
supervisor
after dark kasi 6 o'clock p.m.
healing niya pala.
Every second and fourth Thursday of the month, ang venue na is dyan sa Gubo. And we have also breakfast schedule and birak. Baka may makalumang po sa birak na mga tagalidi. We have also a schedule of joint breakfast meeting in Birak every fourth Sunday of the month sa Santa Isabel, sa Birak, Catanduanes. And they will schedule also a men's breakfast every second Thursday of the month sa Artsy Hotel. And gusto ko lang i-remind po kasi gusto ko po mag-register sa NAC 46. Siguro mag-register na po kasi baka mawala na po kita kisla. And to those who buy the raffle ticket, baka pwede talang i-send kay Sisney pa yung payment para makasabay na po sa second raffle this coming March 28. Kaya medyo halik kaya ang paglaro sa portal kasi may approval pa yan. Iabot minsan yung mga 2 days ang approval. Once na ma-deposit na po yung payment. Okay? Brother? April 4. Ay, sorry. Yung April 4 price Black Saturday, dahil kita kaya, wala po kita ng schedule. Baka gawin natin is second Saturday. April 11. Thank you.
Thank you po, Brother CH. And also po, after po ng ating breakfast meeting, pag naka-closing song na po tayo, we would like to request our regular members po to please stay muna for a very short evaluation po ng ating breakfast meeting sa ngayon. Para at least kung mayroon tayong rules for improvement, mas magawa po natin ng mas maigi sa mga susunod po natin breakfast meeting. So na po. Okay. Asa lang aking kodigo. So again, we would like to thank everybody for being here, for sharing your valuable time, no? Sino ang masaya ngayong umaga? Pakita sa naman. Everybody is happy for today. Thank you sa ating couple share for inspiring us again. Okay? So, thank you po. And also to our music ministry. Palapakan naman natin ang good job guys. Thank you so much. Okay? So, brothers and sisters, this has been your MC. Again, I am Jonathan. See you again in our next breakfast meetings, and let us all join together for our closing song and sing our closing song. Everybody, please stand. And after this, our sasatuloy po ng mga travel, keep safe and God bless us all. Music Ministry, hit it. excused po. To our regular members, please stay for our short evaluation and a full breakfast meeting. Okay po, so very quick lang po. I would like to invite you in front our